Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about the unit 1 word problems. Okay. One worksheet. One word problems. See the first word problem in the sheet 1, the 8th one. Okay. Subtract the sum of minus 6 by 11 and 4 by 5 from the sum of 2 by 11 and 3 by 5. Okay. So, first find out the sum of the values. So, what is the sum of value? First one, sum of minus 6 by 11 and 4 by 5. Okay, sum of meaning add these two fractions. Okay, that is minus 6 by 11 plus 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Now, the two different signs in the denominator. So, unlike terms are given, unlike fractions are given. What we do? Take the LCM. What is the LCM of 11 and 5? Is 55. So, LCM of 11 and 5 is 55. Okay. So, here minus 6 by 11. Which number multiply the numerator? We get the value of 55. 5. The same number also multiply the numerator also. Okay. And then 4 by 5. Which number multiply the denominator? We get the value of 55 11 times. Okay. So, the same number also multiply the numerator. Okay. So, equal to minus 6 into 5 minus 30 plus 44 divided by 55. So, two different signs will come. What we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. So, subtract 44 minus 30 is 4, 1, 14. Okay. So, greater number sign is positive plus 14 by 55. 55. And next one, sum of next values, is it? Sum of 2 by 11 and 3 by 5. 3 by 5. So, what is the meaning? Add these two values, 3 by 5. Okay. So, here also LCM is 55. So, LCM of 11 and 5 is 55. Okay. So, the numerator 2 by 11. Which number multiply the denominator? We get the value of 55. 5. The same number also multiply the numerator. Okay. And then its symbol plus 3 by 5. Here which number multiply? 11. The same number multiply the numerator also. So, 2 5s are 10 by 55 plus 33 by 55. So, both having the same sign. So, add and put the same sign. So, what is the value? 10 plus 33. What we do? Add 43 by 55. What is given in this statement? Subtract the sum of. So, sum of this value subtracted from this value. In the value in the value from the sum of this value is 43 by 55. Okay. So, subtract sum of value directly write. Okay. Sum of what is that? 14 by 55 by from sum of which value? Sum of 43 by 55 is equal to 43 43 by 55 minus 14 by 55. Okay, 43 minus 14, what is the value? 14. Here 13, here 3, so 2, 30, so 9, 29 by 55. That's it. Okay, and next one, ninth problem. The sum of two rational number. So sum of addition of two rational number is 4 by 9. If one of them is minus 7 by 18, find the other one. Okay. So easiest one, A and B are two rational numbers. Okay. So one rational number is equal to minus 7 by 18. Okay, it's taken as A. Okay. So the sum of what is given? The sum of two rational number. The sum of two rational number is equal to what is given? 4 by 9. Okay, sum of means add up A plus B, that is A plus B is equal to 4 by 9. Now substitute the value A in this place. Okay, A value was minus 7 by 18 plus B is equal to 4 by 9. So B is equal to 4 by 9 minus 7 by 18 come to this side plus 7 by 18 by using the transpose method. Okay, so here two different denominators. Okay, so unlike fractions are there. So in this place we should find out the LCM. So what is the LCM of 9 and 18? 18. So the first fraction multiply which denominator, which value multiply, we get the denominator is 18, 2. The same value multiply by the numerator also. Okay, so 7 by 18. Here multiply numerator and denominator by 1. Within a bracket write LCM of 9 and 18 is 18. Okay, so 4 2s are 8 plus 7 by 9 2s are 18. So 15 by 18. 15 by 18. So B is equal to 15 by 8. Thus the number, thus the another number is 15 by 18. Okay, and see the 10th problem. See the product of two rational number. Okay, product of two rational number is minus 15 by 16. If one of them is minus 3 by 8, then find the other. So first previous problem is given in the sum of, addition is given, here product just. Okay, so here also we have, right, A and B are two rational numbers, right, rational numbers. Okay, two rational numbers. Then one number A is equal to what is given? Minus 3 by 8. Minus 3 by 8. So what is given? The product of two rational number. The product two rational number is equal to minus 15 by 16. Minus 15 by 16. So that is, the product means multiply the A and B. Okay, so multiplying the numbers A into B is equal to what is given? Minus 15 by 16. What is the value of A? Minus 3 by 8 into B is equal to minus 15 by 16. So we need the value of B. So B stay here. Okay, so in this side minus 15 by 16, that side is multiplication. By using the transpose method, it changed to the division. Okay, so divide minus 3 by 8. So it can written as minus 15 by 16. Change the multiplication, is it? Multiplication of fraction and reciprocal of the fraction, is it? So what is the reciprocal of minus 3 by 8? 8 by minus 3. 8 by minus 3. It cancel in the 8 table. 8 2s are 16. Okay, it's also cancel in 3 table. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 3 5s are. Okay, so what is the value? So here minus, here also minus, minus will minus obey. Minus of division of minus divided by minus, we get the positive value. Okay, so answer is 5 divided by 2. So B is equal to 5 divided by, thus the another number is 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Okay. Now see the worksheet 2. See the sixth problem in the worksheet 2. The product of two rational number is minus 75 by 123. If one of them is 3 by 50, then find the other. The same method. Okay. Worksheet 2. Which one? Sixth problem. So as usual, take let A and B are two rational numbers. Two rational numbers. Okay. And then one of the number, is it? One number A is equal to, what is the value? 3 by 50. 3 by 50. Find the other. So given, what is given? The product of two rational number is equal to minus 75 by 123. So the product of two rational, that is A into B is equal to minus 75 by 123. So what is the value of A? 3 by 50 into B is equal to minus 75 by 123. So B equal to minus 75 by 123. Okay. So multiplication, come to this side by using the transpose method, change to the division. So division of 3 by 50, 3 by 50. Now, so minus 75 by 123 into, write in the reciprocal. So 50 by 3. So it cancel in 3 1s are 3. How many times? 3 2s are 6, remaining 1. So 3 5s are 3 5s are. Now multiplying the numerator and denominator. So 25 5s are, what is the value? 125. Everyone know, I hope. 25 5s are 125. So added the 0. So 125. So added the multiplication of tens. So 1250. So multiplication minus into plus minus divided by 123. That's it. Okay. Now see the seventh problem. What should be added to minus 3 by 100 to get the 1? Seventh one. What should be added? So let we have consider. Let A be the A or X be the number. Okay. Number. Okay. And what is given? A number added to minus 3 by 100. The number given. The number added to minus 3 by 100 is to get value as 1. To get the value as 1. So that is a number we have considered A. Okay. Added to which one? Minus 3. If you need, write separately like this. Okay. So minus 3 by 100 is equal to 1. Now find out that number value. Okay. So plus into minus minus. Okay. Plus into minus minus. So we will write like this. After write 3 by 100 Now the minus 3 by 100 move to that side, change to the positive by using the transpose method. So 1 plus 3 by 100. So what is the value? 103 by 100. 103. Is it? So take the LCM. So LCM is 100. So numerator and denominator multiplied by 100. So 100 plus 3, 103 by 100. So answer is 103 by 100. Thus the another one of the number. Thus the number is. Thus the number is 103 by 100. Okay. Now see the 8th problem. Subtract the sum of minus 5 by 8 and 7 by 16 and from the sum of 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. Already do the one of the model in the previous worksheet. So 8th one is homework. Okay. 8th one is homework. And now see the 9th problem. Okay. Now see the 9th problem. What is given in 9th one? Yes, cyclists travel 1245 by 4 kilometer in 83 by 2 hours. The distance is travel. So distance is cycle travel covered. So distance is given. Okay. Travel means distance covered. So distance value is given. Okay. And also hours. Hours means time. எவ்வளவு நேரம் consume ஆகுது அப்படிங்கிற time is given. Find the speed. Already you know the formula for the speed. What is the formula for speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. Okay. See. So distance given. Distance is equal to 1245 by 4 kilometer and then how many hours? Time also given. How many hours are given? 83 by 2 hours. Sorry. Okay, 83 by 2 hours. Find the speed. Find the speed. What is the formula of speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Okay. Now substitute the given values in this formula. We get the answer. So distance value is 1245 by 4 divided by time. So 83 by 2. It can written as by 4. Write in the reciprocal multiplication of the fraction. Is it? Of the reciprocal of the fraction. So reciprocal of fraction is 2 by 83. It cancels into table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Okay. Now check whether it is possible to cancel is 1. Okay. So 83. In this place is 1's place is 3. So which number multiply? The multiplication answer will be in the unit place is 5. So 5 table. Okay. So just calculate here 83 by 5 times. So 5 3s are 15. Okay. Unit place is 5. Okay. Remaining 1. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 1. 41. It's not possible. Okay. So we will add it in this place is 1 once. 10 places added 1. Okay. So here multiply 40 plus 1 41. Now multiply this value. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 1 8s are 8. Now added this value. 5 4 8 plus 4 is 12. So 1245. How many times of multiply 83? We get the value of 1245. 15 times we will multiply. So 15 times of 83 we get the value of 1245. Okay. So remaining 15 by 2. It can write in the decimal or mixed fraction. Here it says, okay, you will write any one of that kilometer. So speed or 7.5 kilometer is also correct. Okay. So 15 by 2 is divided 7.5 kilometer. Okay. 10th one is also homework. I will write the homework in this place. So all the problems are completed. Okay. Right. And here worksheet 2. Which are the problems? 8 and 10. Remaining problems are fully completed. Okay. So everyone should complete the worksheet problem. If you have any doubt, ask to me. Thank you, students.